Hello friends, welcome to my channel SolidWorks tutorial. Today we gonna solve the exercise number 54. This is a SolidWorks 2020 tutorial for beginners. This is a pretty simple SolidWorks tutorial for beginners. In this SolidWorks tutorial, I will teach you part modeling, and later on we will learn SolidWorks surfacing, assembly, and drawing. Hope you will stay connected with us for getting all those interesting tutorials. In this video you will learn the use of various SolidWorks tools like line command, circle command, smart dimension, extrude boss command, trim command, etc. We will use only 2 sketches and 2 extrude commands for completing the SolidWorks tutorial. First, we gonna sketch the front view of the part, and then extrude. Then we will make the bottom part. For doing that we will sketch the top view, and extrude for completing today's SolidWorks 2020 video tutorial. Hope you will stay with us throughout the tutorial and become a SolidWorks 2020 Pro designer.
Let's start. Click on the new part.
Go to Apply Scene and select Plain White. Go to Material. Then choose your desired material. Left-click on Front Plane and choose Sketch. Now we will sketch the front view of the part. Now take Corner Rectangle command and draw a rectangle. Select the midpoint of the line and origin, and make coincident. Width is 100 millimeters. Height is 45 millimeters. Now, I will make these circular portions.
Now take circle command.
Choose midpoint as the center of the circle. Radius is 25 millimeters. Diameter is 40 millimeters.
Press OK.
Now we will use fillet command. Fillet radius is 15 millimeters. Now we will fillet these corners.
Press OK.
Now we will draw the circle.
Now take circle command.
Diameter is 10 millimeters.
Press OK.
Select these circles and make them equal. Diameter is 10 millimeters.
Now select smart dimension. Now take trim entities command. Now select smart dimension.
Length is 35 millimeters. Still, we need to define the sketch. Select these entities. Press Calculate.
Press OK. The sketch is fully defined.
Width is 20 millimeters.
Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Use depth 20 millimeters.
Press OK.
Right-click on the top plane and select Sketch. Now take Corner Rectangle command and draw a rectangle. Hold on Control button and select these lines, and choose collinear relations. Distance is 40 millimeters.
The sketch is fully defined.
Fillet radius is 30 millimeter. Take Fillet command. Fillet radius is 30 millimeters. Select these corners for fillet.
Press OK.
Height is 20 millimeters.
Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command. Press OK.
Press space button of your keyboard and select isometric view. This is the part which we were trying to build. Make this speed 3x. Change this duration to 30 seconds and click Finish. If you enjoy the SolidWorks video tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for staying connected with us.